from Bachelor Secondary Education. Can I ask you permission to be interviewed?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. May I know your background or what you do for a day?
Currently, I'm working as a customer service representative at company of Fidelity, and I am more than a year working on that same company, and that's it.
Oh, wow, that's great. So you are working for customer service representative at Agility. Okay, so my first question, what were some of the biggest challenges you faced in becoming an eloquent English speaker?
Thank you for that question. So, one of the biggest challenges I face as an eloquent English speaker is I don't have a wide vocabulary words to understand. So, because it's hard for me to know a lot of words, like because as a call center agent for customer service representative, I face a lot of native English speakers. So they speak unfamiliar words for me. So it's hard for me to overcome or to answer those questions from the native English speakers I face.
So how did you overcome them?
So I overcome them by the unfamiliar words I heard by using the website, like online platforms like Google, or using Merriam-Webster. So if I heard a unfamiliar words, then I will search it on Google, then I will construct it in a sentence. So in that way, I will be more familiar in many words.
Second question, how do you continue to maintain and improve your eloquence in English?
So I maintain and improve them by speaking English every day.
Okay.
At work, because I'm customer service representative, I always speak with native English speakers. So I improve because I have lots of words to learn with them, because like as I mentioned to my previous answer, I don't have a wide vocabulary understanding. So by that native English speakers, I maintain and improve my English speaking skills.
You know, somebody said that communication is the key, and communication is very important because without communication, you cannot communicate with others. With communication, you can share your thoughts, your ideas. So the best practicing English is by communicating with other people. For those people wants to learn English, what advice would you give to someone who is aspiring to become an eloquent speaker of English?
One of the best advice that they need to immerse themselves in the English language. So, like read widely, or listening to podcasts with native English speakers, listening to audiobooks, talk English every day for them to be able to understand more in English. Also, don't be discouraged to make a mistake. So, because learning in English is hard, but if you make a mistake, don't be discouraged, but learn more. Not mistakes. So that's it.
Okay, so thank you, sir, for your time for answering this question. And I know for someone who are watching this interview, they will get to learn that. And thank you for your time. I hope this interview can inspire to the other people. As you said earlier, it's okay to have mistake, but it's better to step up.